Oh, shit.
Go, go, go. Incendiary.
I have downloaded.
You know what? I don't think we played this map since you got your computer.
Incendiary out. Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
There's that silly piano. I hear a sniper. Oh, jeez. I got bridge fucked. Oh, and I got sniped. You're alone. Now, I don't play this map often because I miss that little mini map in the corner.
Yeah,
Come on, jump, jump.
mini map is nice.
It's easier to coordinate, but...
Incendiary.
Nothing nice.
Throwing fire.
Alright, I'll keep the fire in the fruit mark going.
Incendiary.
Unless they come out of the house. Nothing by you.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
They went run for the house.
Oh, I got shot from somewhere. No idea.
Incendiary.
Shit.
That makes two left.
Nearby hostage. We're getting them. Oh, they got 2 guys left. Ah, shit. He's right up here. Oh, it's you.
One left. Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
I think he's behind us somewhere.
It's so fucking dark down there.
Throwing fire.
Hostage has been rescued.
Throwing fire.
I do like this map for the reason that it's very atmospheric. Very environmental.
Like how they're going.
Move it, move it.
Feels wet too, you know.
It's the hardest raining map I know of.
Incendiary. Incendiary out.
Nothing.
Throwing fire.
Oh. In the house? Oh, I think... Oh.
Throwing fire.
Nope, they just came around the street in the middle.
Incendiary.
Don't you dare die on me.
Incendiary out. I'm getting pounded here.
Alright, getting the hostage.
I am en route with a hostage.
Throwing fire.
I think it's thundering out there. Go through the house.
We check the other end,
Incendiary.
hopefully.
Need help.
Alright, here come... Oh, one of our boys died.
Incendiary
Oh,
out.
they're coming.
He's here.
I died. And I'm way back by... The far away... Oh, Jesus. I'm done.
Taking 3 out. Okay, they're all in the fruit mark.
That's not where I expected them.
Throwing fire.
Yeah. One's going far. 2's going far. Oh,
Oh, I see that.
Throwing fire.
yep. That fire stopped them. It's too good. Too good.
Shit.
Hostage has been rescued.
All we got was the lead on that.
Terrorists win.
Incendiary.
It's hard to see your enemy in this night rain.
Move.
Bullshit kills.
Incendiary out.
I don't have anything by me yet.
Incendiary out. Throwing fire.
Nope, there's a couple.
Incendiary.
I had a couple.
Fire. Throwing fire. Incendiary.
Oh, they came out of the house and plugged me. At least I got one kill.
Throwing fire. Incendiary.
Alright, getting a nearby hostage. We're still in okay shape here. Oh, Oh, you went down. That's not good.
Throwing fire.
I'm coming behind you, but
Incendiary. Incendiary out.
Way to hold him off.
Throwing fire.
Oh, he wants me next.
such bullshit. Shotgun. This is item 1.
Throwing
Come on.
fire.
With all that spray.
What on?
I'm gonna go right through the house. There ain't no one going my way.
Oh shit.
Throwing fire.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you.
Incendiary out. Throwing fire.
Sounds like we're getting spanked. Fucking smoke.
Yeah, so some dude was supposed to be at 4 o'clock at the DMV over here by me.
Another car sale?
Harley. No, for a Harley.
Oh, okay.
Champion.
Texted dude, I said, yeah, I'm at the DMV. Oh, I'm stuck at work. Like, dude, you could have fucking told me that. You probably left.
What a dick. Yeah, you didn't think ahead? Who are these people that are picking up bikes? They don't even communicate.
He goes, maybe I could do it
Throwing
Saturday.
fire.
It's like, how about tonight? It's like, I'm off.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out. Incendiary.
Got up there. Got home late from work.
Need backup.
Goes,
Copy that. Coming.
goes, oh, can you drive it here? I'm thinking, no. Get fucking
Throwing
sneaky.
fire. Grenade out.
This guy's too much work.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
There you go.
Incendiary.
So I didn't want to drive by his house. It was whoa.
Throwing fire.
I got the nearby hostage.
Throwing fire.
All right.
Incendiary out. Throwing fire.
And he goes, well, I'll have to, I want to fucking,
Incendiary.
He said I want a what?
he wants one of his buddies to come over and look at it too. I'm like,
Throwing
what the
fire.
fuck, dude?
Throwing fire.
How old does this dude seem to be?
Incendiary out.
He seems later, older.
Incendiary.
Counter-terrorists win.
Had to get my life on that one. Another guy coming down, left and right. Oh.
So,
So one guy, big hassle.
so I said, well, can I check it out tomorrow? And even tomorrow afternoon, I said, yeah.
Incendiary out.
At least hold against 3.
Incendiary.
No, I mean, I don't.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
I don't want to be fucking screwing with this guy all day, you know?
Yeah, no shit. Time's kind of precious. I mean, I know you want to sell it, but do you have to get a dickhead?
Incendiary. Throwing fire.
Oh, yeah.
Brothers of the struggle?
Fire. Incendiary out. Incendiary. I'll make it 3 to go. Sniper. Incendiary.
You okay down there?
Yep, here I come. What was another bot trying to take the hostage? Kicked him in the nuts and grabbed him.
Incendiary. Throwing fire.
Right in the jimmies.
Throwing fire.
Oh,
Terrorists win.
Oh, I didn't realize he was the last guy.
that was the last guy? Yeah, it didn't seem like with all the gunfire I kept hearing. That's one of my higher kill counts of any map tonight.
7.
That's a record. I never got a mass stampede in the fruit market at all. Couple here and there.
That just surprises me because I usually just bombard that.
Go, go, go.
Ooh, 15? Ah. Not as much as I'd like, but...
Together we can do it.
Oh, they're all coming my way.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
There's a reason
Yeah, they're probably over by me here. There's a reason. Oh, they are fucking our team up. Alright, Archie's doing his little back maneuver. And it's just 3 of us. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck, they got past my fire somehow. Wow, they are not giving up this fruit market. Fucking stabber, he got me. Well, I knocked it down to 1, so you and him. And he's coming up the long stairwell to the faraway hostage. He's got a shotgun, 100 health. He's coming down the steps down the middle. Yeah, he's just on your left going underneath you now. Yep, right to the right he went. So maybe he's coming to the nearby hostage. Yep, he's getting a nearby hostage right now. Shotgun. Alright, 79 health. He's got his knife out. You see him. Oh, I could not tell who was going to win that. Even when the body dropped, I didn't know if it was you or him. I had to look.
He was pulling his gun out too. You guys never bring a knife to a gun?
Don't tell me.
Party at my house.
Oh, okay. Archie always has the fun.
They're hard to see in the shadows.
Yeah, they're hard to fucking see on this map. Ooh, I'm getting shot at. I feel it. Oh yeah, he got me again. I slapped the ball after the balls.
The glass guys retreated.
Guarding a nearby hostage.
Yeah, I think I forced him up the middle.
Well, here's someone burning down there. And that guy's going to town on that piano. Nice kill. All right. Get a sniper with a knife.
Yeah, deserved that one.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, dude, I so missed that radar.
Yeah.
Nothing here.
Okay, nothing yet, but we'll find out right here because our team went dumb all the way in the fruit market. Yeah, they're in there.
They shot me while they were on fire.
That's impressive. Oh, you just died again on me, all right. One left. What stupid man is left? I'll take a quick tour through the house. Oh, he just went into the room with the nearby hostage. How about that? Oh, no one went my way.
Oh boy.
Nothing by you. Yeah, your health didn't even go down.
Yeah. Oh, they backtracked.
Oh, you're burning them. I got an infestation problem here. He got me. He's going through the room with the nearby hostage. And he can't be killed. Oh wow, we got down to one idiot.
Terrorists win.
We'll make them regret today.
Oh, I'm all alone.
All right, I'm starting. Oh, I hear a stampede. Here they are.
Throwing fire.
Yeah, I only have 3 by me, so.
All right, I burned 3.
Oh, I burned myself just to get a kill.
Shit. Did you get?
2 kills?
Oh, I got sniped from the fruit market. Peeked out for half a second, and dead I was. They're coming up the long way, the way you take.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There they are, coming up the steps now.
Sapper dead.
All right. Well, he needed to die a while ago, didn't he?
Throwing fire.
But he's dead.
Grenade. Molotov. I'm throwing a grenade. Molotov. Throwing fire.
Ooh, I was just in the fruit market.
I was like, where is this last guy? And yeah, he was by the fruit market. Oh, match point.
Let's call the Bravo. Charge.
Oh, we're by ourselves.
Molotov. Throwing fire. I'm throwing fire.
Nothing.
Throwing fire.
Oh boy.
Throwing fire.
I see bullet fire.
Throwing fire. Molotov. Throwing fire.
Now this round promises to help out my stats.
Well, can't back up, so go for it.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're in the middle, pointing the fire.
Throwing fire. One left. Left.
Yeah, he's in the fruit market. There he goes. Yeah, at least had a good, decent last round, thank you. Yeah, you're like the plug blocking him.
33 like you needed anymore. 2 knife kills.
Now that I do not have in my repertoire, on my resume. All right, I'll hand you some screenshots, I guess.
Yep, I'll send you some.
Alrighty.